Nothing like a little bit of late night fabrication to keep you going. Welcome to my life. This machine right here is called a fastback. I can set the pieces up vertically, and the belt on the back will actually automatically feed the countertop into the machine and self-polish everything. Each one of these displays right here is a different pressure setting. So depending on the type of granite or the type of material that we're trying to run through it and put a polish on, we adjust the PSI to different levels, so that way the polish turns out either more glossy or more flat polish, so there's not as much gloss. This is the computer that runs it. I get to set my adjustments, my speeds. This machine will polish 12 inches every minute to a minute and a half, which reduces the amount of time that I actually spend polishing by hand up to 2/3 of what I normally would take to polish an edge. This is our recycled water containment unit. This recycles all of the water from the grate right here on the floor all the way back in to a recycling station, which cycles all of the mud and the silica dust into the top layer and drops it down into this bag for disposal. That's all the mud and the nasty stuff that we've been using. This is the recycled watered reservoir. There's constant clean water in there feeding all of our watering tools, polishers, everything else. These are the water polishers. They're all pneumatically fed through air. Water and air help polish the edge on the front. And this is our forklift over here. We clamp all the big slabs to it, pick it up so we can transfer it onto the table. This is the bridge saw. The bridge saw can cut up to 12 feet, any angle, any 45-degree angle, any 22.5-degree angle. There's a computer gearbox on it with a laser, so we line up the slabs themselves on the table. The laser will get you dialed in for any precision cut that you need. This is the computer that runs it. The gearbox itself adjusts speeds, settings on the angles, depth, and an automatic feed system, so I don't need to necessarily be here and watch the whole thing cut. It'll automatically program itself to stop. And I think that's it. This is all the cool stuff I get to use every day and what makes the kitchen beautiful.